This video will show you how to access documents that your students have turned in using the version history so that you can see when they have worked on it and the work that they have done. So you will not go to SpeedGrader, you will go to your Google Drive, and then in the drop-down, you'll access your drive. Here in Assignments, a folder has been created. So if you go into one of your folders for your classes, there should be one for each class so far. There should be also a folder for the class work that you have created Google Documents for. And if I open that folder, I can then open one of these documents. This was a test document that I asked my ACP students to do so I could see the submissions and show them how to grade it. So I have the answers here that have been filled out, and then I click on File, Version History, and See Version History. So all of the changes that have been made to this document are here, and I can see when they're time-stamped. So this is all accessible in Drive. We just don't always know that it's created behind the scenes.